Hello, yoga enthusiast. So today I have another beautiful yoga sequence for you. It is for yoga students who are in the beginning stage or in the intermediate stage. Okay, so this is called Natraksha Namaskara. Let's check it out. So first we'll come to the front of the mat. Namaste, Pranama, Hasta Uttanasana. Through Samakona, go to Padahasta. In Padahasta, squat and come to Utkatasana. Raise your hands up. Namaste, Pranama. Then twist. Twisted Utkatasana. Utkatasana. Twisted Utkatasana. Go back to Utkatasana. Place your palms down on the mat. Come to Padahasta, Uttanasana. Now take your legs back. Come to plank, Palakasana. From here go to Chaturanga. From here go to upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Look front. Then downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your knees, jump forward. Go to Padahastasana, Uttanasana. Again squat, come to Utkatasana, chair pose, Namaste and stand up, Pranamasana. So one can practice this up to 6 to 10 rounds for a great warm-up. Thank you so much for watching. Do check out my next video, which is Akasha Ganga Namaskara.